Hi guys, again we're gonna this time we're gonna cover how to make custom items for your library. So I'm just gonna pull up an urn out of my library, and I'm going to add a just a hosta just for this purpose of putting this video together. So once I have the item the way I want it, and you can choose whatever you want to put in an urn, but you select both of them. And then you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to go Model Creation. And here you have a section where you can create things like windows, rocks, pool accessories, whatever. I'm going to use accessories, and I'm going to place it in there, give it a name. Just use urn with hosta, I guess. I've had these before in my library, so I'm just going to just create it over top. And there you have it. So the next time you go to look at your custom accessories, you'll find it right here. So it's very simple to save your models. I save everything that I can see in the future that I can use again. I will save it, like everything from boats to custom bins or equipment, whatever makes the job look good or the house look good. I've done eaves troughs and downspouts and whatnot. Different furniture setups. Anything that I know that I'm going to use in the future, I will save it as a custom accessory, because you never know when you're going to end up using something like that again in future designs, and then that eliminates having to recreate it over and over again. I do save my libraries and have them all for sale, so if you want to have my library, you can reach out to me and I'll sell them to you for a certain price. Feel free to contact me at landscapingadvisors.ca. Thanks for watching.